Hello everyone, uh, welcome to this tutorial. It is to quickly show you a great tool that I'm using for WordPress website design, which is called Local by Flywheel. Normally, when you are working on a website, you are required to install WordPress, prepare the environment that you are going to use. And for WordPress, you will basically need a PHP, MySQL to be installed. You will have to make all those setups, download WordPress, unzip the folder on the current, on the right directory, and trying to make the connection with the database. Actually, with this software that you can download from this website, localwp.com, okay, actually it is a really great software. You can just download it, and when you're trying to download it, it will tell you, do you want to install it for Mac, for Windows, or for Linux? You can choose your platform, and you will be requested to put your credentials, your information, like your first name, last name, and your email or phone number. But basically, the mandatory data that they will need is an email. Okay, if you put your email and you click get it now, okay, you will actually get the link so that you can click and save the file on your computer. Okay, when you get the file that is saved on your computer, you can go ahead and install it, and the installation is really simple. You just go through the steps, and after installing it, you will get an interface like this one. Basically, here you can see the website that I already have installed. Okay, but if you want to go ahead and install a new one, you can click on this button down below on the left corner. Okay, you can click it and you can add like a new website. Okay, this will create a brand new WordPress installation for you, and so that you can start working on your website. Okay, so after the installation, you will see here your website, so you can click on it. You will have to, actually mine is working, it started. Okay, I'm going to stop it just to show you. You can stop it actually, or you can start it. Okay, I think when you just created the new installation, you will have to start it in order, that you can go and visit it. Okay, so if I start it, I can click on the admin, or I can click on open site. Okay, if I click on the admin, it will show me the WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, if I click open site, I will see the website itself. So basically that's it. I think that's a really great tool, so it can save you a lot of time if you are working. If you want to set up a local environment on your machine really quick, and and get started really fast, so this is what I recommend you guys. Okay, and if you liked this video, if you found it useful, you can subscribe to our channel. You can give it a like, you can comment, you can ask question. So it was a pleasure. See you next time.